Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
This class should be made interactive, okay? Please take part for that.
Okay, sir.
Laws of indices. As I told you just now, first law is the product one law. The base 10, then we have to write only one base and add the power. Okay? And second one, I told this is x to the power m divided by x to the power n. This can be written in this form also. X to the power n divided by x to the power n. In such case, we have to write only one base and we have to subtract their power. Okay? Okay, Nimish?
Okay, sir.
And
Yes,
now
sir.
look at third one. In third one, look at x to the power m and whole power n. Look, power has again its whole power. In such case, we have to multiply these two powers. This m and n will be multiplied. And it will be written like this: x to the power m into n. X to the power m into n. Okay, children? And now look here
Okay,
after
sir.
this.
Okay,
And
sir.
after this, look here.
Excuse me, can you
And
repeat
you know
three?
this: x to the power 0 means 1. X to the power 0 means 1. I have written here how. Okay? How it comes x to the power 0 equals to 1. Look here, I am showing here also. How it comes x to the power 0 equals to 1. X to the power 0 equals to 1. How? Okay, look, I am going to show how it comes 1. As we know, okay, as we have x to the power 5 means x to the power 5 means x into x into x into 5 times, right? By x to the power 5 means also what there? X into x into. When you cancel them up and down, what will remain?
1.
1. All
One.
cancelled by 1, then it will remain 1. And now we are solving it. We are solving it by the laws of indices. Actually, this it is solved by our cancelling method. We have cancelled and it has come 1. Okay.
Yes, sir.
By next method, we are following the laws of indices. As I told you, if the base is same, base is actually there x to the power 5 divided by x to the power 5. If bases are same, we have to write only one base. At that time, we have to subtract their power. If you subtract their power, then 5 minus 5 it will be 0. And x to the power 0 came. Look, the question was same or look here. First question and second question is same or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Sir.
very good. And both the solution also must come same. Both the solution also must come same, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
And
Yes, sir.
that's why x to the power 0 equals to 1. Questions are equal, then its answer should be also same. So to make them same, we have to write both the questions are same and their result will be also equal. That's why what will be here? So x to the power 0 equals to 1. Are you clear, children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
How x to the power 0 comes 1? Okay. Okay, Saika, you have understood. Very good. How the value of x to the power 0 comes 1, you have become clear. Sigma, are you clear, Nani?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Now look, I am moving to the next one. When the base has power negative, when negative power is there, we take it down in denominator. What will remain up? There will remain 1 as the numerator. Okay, here is coming one name. Okay, different name. I am not entering him here in the classroom. Okay, different name. Those who are not keeping the their videos one, photo one, school uniform, then I'm not entering them in the class. Okay, this name also keeping there, different name, and name is also not readable. Different name. That's why I'm not entering that. Okay. Now see here. Do you know this is the square root? Square root means in this corner. What is this order? Do you know? Order is what here? 2. At this corner there
Two.
remains 2. That's why we tell it is square root. Square root x. Square root x. That's why there is 2. And what is the power of x? Do you know, Saika? What is the power of x here? Power of x is 1 here. Power of x is 1. Then when you cancel the root, then that 2 comes below this power. X to the power 1 by 2. X to the power 1 by 2. Okay, children?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
In
sir.
this corner of square root, what is there? What is the order? It's 2. When you cancel this root symbol, this radical symbol, that 2 comes below the power. Because x power has 1, and below this 1 it will come 2. When you cancel the root, this also comes under the laws of indices. Okay, children?
Okay, sir.
Is
Yes,
the
sir.
student of this class Sarthak or not? Sarthak has entered.
Yes, sir. He
Yes,
is
sir.
from
Yes, sir.
E2.
Okay. There is one student entering in the class naming different 8 core something. It's very. I am not entering him. Mohammad Ali Ansari.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Priyanka Bania.
Sir, he is Parthbania. He skipped his sister's name, I think.
Okay, I am entering. But that one, 8 core something written, that I am not entering him. The instance should written there name. Okay. And now look here. In this one, 6 number, look at square root x. Its order is 2. That's why it comes below 1. Okay. Then root cancel. Okay. Radical signs cancel there. Okay, children. Okay. Now I am moving to the next rule. I am moving to the exercise now. Arush Joshi is the student of this class or not?
Sir.
Are entering now only.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
B3.
Srijena, Sreza. Sreza Paudel is an or not?
Yes, sir. A2.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Asray Morgan.
B3, sir.
Okay, I am entering them. Okay. But I am not entering this different name 8 co 1. Okay. Now listen to me. We are entering the exercise now. You must keep your name, okay, proper name there, so that it will be easy to enter me, okay, in the classroom. This is the question number 1 of your exercise. Please open there and let's do together with me. I will show you example sum and I will explain. Similarly, you will do other classwork, okay? Let's be ready. P to the power 6 and into P to the power 3. Base is same. Then we have to write only one base. And we have to add the power. And it will be P to the power 9. And please now let's do similarly. This answer P to the power 9. Are you clear about this solution?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I am giving the similar for your classwork. Please let's do in copy. Sri Molla is your student of your class or not? Is a student of your class or
Yes,
not?
sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
now entering. Let's do this classwork and tell me the answer, okay? Classwork, please. I am waiting for your answer. I am waiting for your solution. And it will be better if you keep the video on, okay?
X to the power 5.
X to the power 5. You are absolutely right. And second one,
Sir, why X? Why not A?
okay, you are right. Here must be, this must be correct. This is the typing one, okay, incorrect one. Okay,
Yes, sir.
Sir, there should be x to the power 12.
yeah. You check the book one.
Sir, b to the power 4. B number answer.
In book, what is there?
Sir, third number answer b to the power 4.
Okay, just a minute, wait. Rishabh
Sir,
Sharma
third
is
number answer b to the power
Rishabh Sharma is the student of this class or not? Rishabh Sharma is the student of this class or not?
Sir, maybe in B3, don't know.
B3 student, please tell.
Sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Did you find the answer of both the classwork?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Did you put in place of A X there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Put the base X, okay? Okay, now let's move to the next one. Sita Regmi. Sita Regmi is the student of this class or not? She has entered just now. I'm asking
Sir, not
student,
from A2.
I'm asking not from A2, then B3. B3 monitor, please help me. Is your section or not?
No, sir.
Sita Regmi is not the student of B3.
No, sir.
Okay, that's why I'm not entering her.
Yes, sir.
I hope you have done this both the classwork. Have you done?
Yes, sir.
Good.
Yes, sir.
Good. Now let's move to the next one. Is the screen being shared or not there?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
now you solved both the classwork, right? And you corrected there in
Yes,
place
sir.
of X, in place of A you wrote X also. Okay, good. Now let's move to the next slide. And look here, I am showing here Rachit. Rachit is the student of this B3 and A2 or not?
Not of B3.
No,
A2.
sir.
Not of A2 also.
Rosa Morgan.
Not of B3, sir.
Rosa.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
from
Yes,
A2.
Rosa has entered just now. Okay, then see here. In this example, look there, if there is given coefficient, look here, coefficient multiply first, 3 5 the 15. First coefficient multiply, then only multiply this a cube and a square. Then you have to write only one a, and then the power will be added 3 plus 2, it will be 5, okay? 15a power 5. And similarly, I tell you, okay, to solve this classwork, 3 classwork are there, and please solve and find out their solution. Find out the answers. Okay, children?
Okay, sir.
Sir,
Okay,
that
sir.
5 number one A7 B6.
A7 B power 6. Okay, very good. And 6 number.
Doing so.
Let's solve this BI number also and BII also both. If there is given coefficient, first of all multiply the coefficient. Okay. Is the student of A2 B3 Sarthak Rizal?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
14
A2
x
Yes,
square.
sir.
Sarthak Rizal has entered just now that way.
Sir, 14 x square y.
14x square.
Y.
14. Which number?
Sir,
Yes.
6 number.
Good. Be good. 14x square y to the power what? 1 only. Y only. Very good. And
1.
what is the solution of BII number? Let's do it.
Yes, sir.
Do it in copy, okay? In C math copy.
Okay, sir.
Please take part actively. When you get the solution of this 7 number, please tell me.
Sir, 24 a to the power 7 b to the power 2.
24.
Sir, 24
Yes,
a to the power
24
7
a
b
to the
square.
power. A to the power how much?
7.
No
7.
7. 2 plus 4. 6, 6 plus 3, 9 it will be.
Sir,
A to the power 9 it will be. We have to add 2 power, 4 power and 3 power. Okay.
yes,
And
sir, 9 b to the power b square.
B to the power how much it will be?
Yes, sir.
B square. Good.
B square.
It will be.
2.
It will be B square. You are right. Okay, children.
Okay, sir.
Now let's move to the next slide. And it goes like this. Look here. This is the question number 2 of your. Okay, this is the question number 1 only. Okay, question number 1 from BII number. Okay, 8. Look, here is also base same. Look in both one. X to the power 3 by 2 and x to the power 1 by 2. Both the bases are same or not here? Are
Yes,
they
sir.
same? If they are same, then
Yes,
what
sir.
is there? X to the
Yes,
power.
sir.
Power is added. If you add the power, then it will come 3 plus 1 by 2. It means 4 by 2. 4 by 2 means you have to write 2. And its answer will come x square. Okay, children?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let's do this other as a classwork and tell me the solution.
Sir, 8 mn.
8
Mn.
8 mn.
Yes, sir.
Okay, its answer is 8 m n. Very
N.
good. Okay, very good. Okay. Now, what is the answer of this 10 number then? How will you solve it? First, multiply the coefficient. Minus 6 it will be. And you please tell the answer. Have you got anybody?
Joy Madol, Joy Madol.
Okay, I have listened some, unnecessary sound. Nimesh, can you tell me who is speaking that?
Sir, don't know.
Please tell me the name, I will remove. Yeah. Monitors, you have,
MN.
monitors, you have, okay, you have that duty, please. Such students, those who disturbs, okay. please provide me the name. If you don't want to speak in chat box, I will see. That will come to me. Okay, I will remove here. Okay, monitor.
Okay, sir, but I don't know who was that.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Please, if you feel difficult to tell the name, you can write in chat box. Okay, I will see that and I will remove. You are not allowed to make unnecessary sound. Okay. Now look here. I am moving to the next one. I hope you can do this easily.
Yes, sir.
Look here. I am moving to the
Yes,
next
sir.
one. Divide. Use the laws of indices. As you know, in division we have to subtract the power. Okay. 9 minus 4 became only one base same, then we have to subtract the power, and 9 minus 4 it will be 5. Okay. Similarly, we have to solve this other question also. Can you solve, children?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
8 to the power
Yes,
5.
I am moving to the next one also, please. Okay. This classwork and these other things you have to do as my work. Okay, as my homework. You please maintain the copy. Maintain the copy. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And now look here.
Number
Okay,
answer
sir.
C to the power 2.
Okay, look here. In 4 number 1, first of all we have to divide the coefficient. 15 divided by 3. 15 divided by 3 means it's 5. Then a to the power 5 divided by a to the power 2 means we have to write only one a and subtract the power. 5 to the 5 minus 2 it will come 3. And its answer will be 5a cubed. Have you got, children?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
When you divide, please divide the coefficient first. Okay. Is the student of B3 Snehada
Yes, sir.
and Shreya Mahajan? Shreyas Mahajan.
No.
Shreyas
Yes,
Mahajan.
sir, from A2.
Okay, I'm
A2.
admitting. I'm admitting now only. Now you know this how to divide this one. 2 number of book. Jenny, are you listening my sound?
Yes, sir.
Good. I am moving to the next one. In this one also, what to do? This is also the case of division. This is also the case of division. This is the case of division. In divide also, we have to first of all divide the coefficient 9 4 the 36. Okay. And although when you divide, we have to subtract the power. You have to subtract the power, and you have to write 4 p to the power what is now 2 and q to the power minus 4. And children, look here, we can leave the answer here also. We can write in positive power also. When you take into positive power, this q to the power minus 4 will be changed to positive when you take it down in denominator. Then its answer will be 4p square by q to the power 4. Are you clear about this?
Yes, sir.
When the power comes of negative, okay, negative power, we can write down in denominator. It will be 4p square by q to the power 4, or you can leave the answer here only. Okay, children?
सर बुझेन सर फेरि भन्नु न
Look here. Okay, I am telling. 9 1s are 9, 9 4s are 36. Okay, we have to divide the coefficient first.
Yes.
Then p to the power 7 divided by p to the power 5 means we have to subtract the power. Power should be subtracted. Okay, 7 minus 5. Then minus 3. Minus 3. When this 1 goes up, it will be minus. Okay, actually you can take it down also. When minus 3 comes down, it will be 1 plus. What is the power of q actually here? 1. Yes?
Yes.
When 1 goes up, it will be minus 1. Only same base we have to see. We can divide the term having the
Yes.
same base only. And it will be q to the power minus 3, minus 1, minus 3 and minus 1 means minus 4. And when minus 4 will go down,
Yes, sir.
it will be 4p square divided by q to the power 4. Can you solve like this? Question number this BII, this 8-1?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Okay, very good, Celine. Okay, very good, Celine. Okay, now I am moving to the next one. 9, look, I asked
Oh,
one.
पुलिस जिस्काइदिन्छ
Okay, this one, look here. I am displaying the whole one, okay, at once because it will be a bit earlier, it will be quick, that's why. This was a divide. When you divide 24 by 30, then it will come 4 by 5. You have to
4
cancel
5
by, you have to cancel by 6. 6 4 and 6 5 are. And this x to the power 4 by 3 subtract, okay, this 4 by 3 from 4 by 3 we have to subtract 1 by 3 because base same. Power is subtracted
Yes, sir.
ए
and y to the power 1 by 2 and 1 by 2
3
power
minus 3
subtracted. Y to the power 0, y to the power 0 means 1 and here remain only 4 by 5 into x. Similarly, you have to do this classwork one, okay, as you walk. Please, you have to solve this, okay?
हुन्छ
Okay,
एकछिन
children?
सार्न दिनु
Okay, you can take the screenshot
Okay, sir.
also.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, children?
Okay, sir.
Now look at this, the out question one, okay, out question one. That's why, okay, this I will teach you next class. Today till this much now, okay? Today this number only.
ओके सर
Okay, sir.
Okay, children? Today you will do
Okay,
यस
completely
sir.
यस
the, today you will do the, today you will do completely the question number 1 and question number 2, okay, children?
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
यस
Which is number you will do a book?
1
1
and
and
2.
2. 1 and 2.
Yes. Question number 1 and 2 you will do. Okay, today this much only. Thank you very much and bye bye all of you.
Sir, do you
Let's
have
सर
the
okay.
same
नम्बर कति हो
Okay. See you.
सर
Bye,
पेज
bye,
नम्बर कति
sir.
हो
Page number is
321.
321. 321. Okay, thank you very much.
300.
Bye bye.
Sir, do you have to send it in email?
You please, first of all, you keep
Sir,
maintain the copy, okay? I will tell you my email later on, okay? First of all, please maintain the copy.
सर त्यो भुवन
Maintain the
सरको के
copy.
भएको भनिदिनु न एकचोटि
Sorry? Sorry, sir.
No, today we don't have to say.
Okay, I will give you the Gmail, okay, later. First of all, please maintain the copy. Okay, children, bye bye.
Bye, sir. Have a
Bye,
nice
sir.
Bye bye.
Bye, sir.
bye bye, sir.